Hello, I'm Jim. Hello, Jim. I'm Grace. Is this your first time visiting the city? No, this is my second trip to Jakarta. I see. Where do you come from, Grace? I come from Australia. And where are you from in Australia? I'm from Perth. How do you find the city so far? It's wonderful. The people are really nice, and I love the food here. That's great to hear. What about you? Are you from Jakarta? No, I'm not. I'm from Malang. But I live in Jakarta now. I see. I've never been to Malang. What's it like? Oh, it's wonderful. There's always something interesting to do, and the people are very friendly. It sounds like a nice place to live. Yes, it is. In fact, since I'm a photographer, I have some pictures of Malang we can look at. That's wonderful. I would love to see them. Let's read the following phrases. Mari kita membaca frase-frase berikut ini. Where do you come from? I come from Australia. Where are you from? I am from Malang. I live in Jakarta now. I've never been to Malang. What's it like? It sounds like a nice place to live. What about you? How do you find the city so far? Sekarang kita akan mempelajari apa perbedaan where do you come from dan where are you from. Saat kita bertanya where do you come from, sebenarnya yang ditanyakan adalah dari negara mana kamu berasal. Sedangkan saat kita bertanya where are you from, sebenarnya artinya adalah dari kota mana kamu berasal. Jadi, sekarang kita tidak bingung-bingung lagi ya, kalau ada yang menanyakan, where do you come from? Atau where are you from? Yuk, mari kita praktekkan lagi. Where do you come from? I come from Australia. Where are you from? I am from Malang. Where do you come from? I come from Indonesia. Where are you from? I'm from Jakarta. Alright, that's the lesson for today. Jangan lupa untuk klik subscribe dan icon bell yang ada di sebelahnya untuk mendapatkan notifikasi video-video terbaru dari Honey English Club. Thank you for watching. See you next time.